How's it going, guys? Do any of you need some easy money right about now? Based on the comments and the messages that you've been leaving me, I know for a fact that it's something that you all want. So that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. It's a really simple strategy that promises cash for every word that you type. And if it sounds too good to be true, well then stick around for the rest of the video and decide for yourself. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best and the simplest ways to make money online. And if this is your jam, then what are you waiting for? Make sure that you join our community by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell because that's what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. And with that said, let's go make some money. In today's strategy, I will show you that it is possible to simply type words inside this box, click on Make Video, and get paid $25. The best thing about it is that you're not limited to doing this just once. You can keep doing it as much or as little as you want to, and also from wherever in the world you're from, as long as you set it up properly from the start. The main platform that we're going to be using today is a website called motionden.com, and it's a free online video maker that creates these really high quality professional videos. So all you need to do would be to type in one word and MotionDen will create a video for you. And what's amazing is, besides creating that free video for you, it will also allow you to make $25 to $30 every time you do. No camera, no editing, no script writing skills required. Simply type to create videos and get paid for each of those said videos. It says right here on their website, choose your favorite video template, fully customize it online, and watch this generate your video instantly. And as you can see, it doesn't really say anything about getting paid just yet. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how you can monetize this by showing you all of the steps right now. Firstly, I want you to sign up for a free account on MotionDen by clicking on Get Started. This is just the usual straightforward process, which I know you're already familiar with by now. And you can also choose to sign up with either your Facebook or Google account to just do it as quickly as possible. After signing up as a member, you'll be able to access all of these templates, which you'll be able to use to create videos per single word that you type and across all of these different categories that are listed here on the left side of the page. As you can see, these range from ads to animated videos, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, YouTube videos, marketing videos, presentation videos, you name it. And while all of the templates you'll be able to access here are of excellent quality, there are two specific ones that I want you to focus on because they'll be making you the most money per single word that you type. And these would be intro and outro videos. So if you're not familiar with what an intro or an outro is, then let me quickly explain. Intros and outros both build a strong base at the beginning of a video as well as a supported statement at the very end. As the word suggests, intros are visuals that mark the beginning of a video, while outros are the closing visuals that appear at the end. So both these intros and outros are a great way to build brand recognition and to have viewers associate your brand or channel with a certain level of professionalism. You can check any of the top YouTube channels around and you'll notice that most of them have either an intro or an outro, if not both. So after logging into your account, I want you to browse the selection of intro and outro templates on MotionDen and just look for your favorite one. I personally really like how this one looks. The animation is top-notch, so let me quickly select it for a quick demo. Now, after selecting this template, I can actually customize it by simply clicking on Edit Video. And when I'm taken to this video editing page, all that I would need to do would be to replace the text over here with whatever I wanted to say. For example, Next Level Finance. Now, all I have to do is click on Save and Make Video, and it will automatically generate a video with the word or phrase that I specified using this particular template. And there you have it. See how professional this looks? It literally only took a few seconds to make, and it already looks good enough to sell. And well, that's because it is. And that's exactly what we're going to do to make money from this website. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme that offers you free money. In fact, it's actually a creative way to use a tool that already exists online and make money from it. So first, let me show you proof that selling video templates work and that people are actually making money doing this. If you're familiar with freelance job sites like Fiverr or Upwork, then let's head over there right now. Alright, here I am on the Fiverr platform, and let me type in intro and outro on the search bar. There you go. As you can see, people here are charging anywhere between $25 all the way up to $400 for these intro and outro videos. See this one guy over here, Stuart Ketz? He charges $320 per gig, and he's been rated 92 times. Considering how not all clients take the time to rate freelancers, he's probably booked more than 92 gigs already. That means that from doing this on Fiverr alone, he's made close to $30,000. Let's check someone with a lower rate. Okay, I see this profile, Arc Solutions. He or she charges $50 per intro and has gotten over 1,000 ratings. That's over $50,000 worth of real money, guys, and that's pretty sweet. So now that we know that real money can be made here, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account on Upwork or Fiverr if you want to. But besides these two platforms, I do suggest that you also sign up for the smaller, less popular freelance job sites where there's less competition. Doing so will give you access to even more jobs. And before I tell you about the two additional platforms, just sending a quick reminder that if you're enjoying the content and that if you think you'll be trying it out for yourself, then please don't forget to give us a like, comment, and also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Alright, so the first platform is called quickengigs.com. It's quite similar to Fiverr and Upwork in the sense that freelancers from all over the world can post services for hire, and businesses and individuals can come to look for people to fulfill certain tasks that they need done. Just like in Fiverr and Upwork, people on Quicken Gigs do sell the creation of intros and outros as a service, and when you type those keywords on the search bar, you'll be able to find the price range for such a service. Another platform that you can join and offer the creation of intros and outros as a service to is peopleperhour.com. Again, just like on Quicken Gigs or Fiverr and Upwork, you'll be able to land jobs and gigs here and use MotionDen's free online video creation tool to fulfill any requirement that you're able to book. Publishing your services on all of these sites is free, so you really have no reason not to do it. And while the MotionDen video creation tool will leave a watermark on your video as a default, you can actually opt to download it without the watermark for a fee of $9. And yes, paying $9 does not make it free anymore, but you won't actually need to pay any money upfront and only pay it once you book a client and need to download the file. To recap, these are the steps that I want you to follow to ensure that you make the most money doing this strategy. Step 1, sign up for an account on all of the freelance job sites that we talked about: Fiverr, Upwork, Quicken Gigs, People Per Hour. Step 2, create a profile and sell your service. Step 3, once you book an account, ask them for the keywords that they would want to use. Also ask them for any logo that they may want to include. Step 4, select your template, add the keyword and the logo, click on Save, click on Make Video, and wait until it finishes rendering. Step 5, download the video without the MotionDen watermark and fulfill your order. When you start getting consistent gigs doing this job, you can even consider subscribing to MotionDen's monthly subscription plan, which costs $29 a month for an unlimited number of videos. With this, you only need to book one order worth $30 to make money, while the rest of the sales that you make, you can keep in your pocket. I really hope that this video inspired you and got your creative juices flowing. If you found any value in today's video, then do show us some love by leaving us a like, a comment, a share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below because it really does support the channel. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.